What is up, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today we are working on a Ford Transit with a 2.5 liter engine, and what we are doing, we are replacing the spark plugs. Pretty simple job. First, what we gotta do is remove all the coils. 4 coils are held in by 4 8mm bolts. After getting all 4 8mm bolts loosened up, I go back and take them up by hand. I would normally use like an impact ratchet or an electric ratchet here, but there is just no room under these Ford Transits. They just give you no room to work down here. So after I get them all loosened up, I usually come back and take them up by hand, just with the socket by itself. It's not that hard, but just I usually do it in 2 steps, just because there is no room. After doing that, with all the bolts off, I go back and remove all the coils. Now, if you can see, I'm trying to use both hands and kind of grab the boot as I pull it up, just to try to make sure that I don't. Sometimes the boot will break, especially if they haven't done this in a long time. So here, removing all the coils. After that, with a spark plug socket, which is a 5/8 on this vehicle, we're gonna take off all the spark plugs. Same thing, I usually get them all off. Here I'm just double checking the spark plug, make sure there is no like physical damage to it and they're just worn out. But I usually go back and take off every single spark plug one by one, and after that I'm putting on all the spark plugs. Like you see in here, first I hand tighten every single spark plug by hand, just to make sure that I don't cross thread the spark plugs. So I go one at a time, put them all in by hand, and then after that I come back with the ratchet and start tightening up every single spark plug. Here we go, just tying up the spark plugs. Just kind of remember how much strength you had to give it to take it off, and you kind of do the same thing to put it back in. They don't go super tight, but you'll feel it. You don't want to strip them either. And honestly, after that, you just put the coils back on. Go back, put on the coils, make sure that you put your 8mm bolts back on. Same thing, I usually put them on by hand and go back and tighten up everything with a ratchet, just so I can make sure that I don't strip any bolts or anything like that. Don't forget to connect your coils back on with the connectors. Also, another tip, I always try to put the coils back in the same spot where I took them off, just so I know if there's a misfire, I know that there was the same coil that was there, and we kind of did not disturb anything or put everything back where it wasn't supposed to be. But that is pretty much it. It's pretty simple on these 2.5 4-liter engines. Alright guys, and as always, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. You guys have yourselves a great day.